you see, this is Kindle Paperwhite. It looks more like my Kindle, right? And it's more dedicated to reading books. You could read books on Kindle Fire too. But Kindle Fire is more like a tablet computer. That's a good deal. Again, it's really a good deal for a tablet computer. But they are directing you towards Amazon. Here, of course, they're directing you towards Amazon too. But this one is focusing on reading eBooks only. Predominantly, I should say, not only. Originally, the idea was only, but then they were forced to give access for other things. I'll talk about it in a few seconds. It's black and white because e-ink technology is not good that yet. They're not giving it in color, although color does exist. Unlike my old version, this one can be lighted. You can read it in darkness. For mine, you need like a little flashlight attached to it, and I actually do have that flashlight at home somewhere. Again, here there is a pricing difference with the special offers and without the special offers. Which one would you prefer? Special offers or without special offers? Without, and without cost more money, right? So without probably means better, right? So that's a marketing strategy, the special offers, to get you to buy something else which you probably wouldn't want. What is it? Any guesses? Advertisements. Yeah, they'll be showing you advertisements. And if you don't want advertisements on your Kindle, then you probably don't pay $20 more and buy one without the special offers. That's how it works. So that's the Kindle. Now, I mentioned that they direct their customers towards purchasing the Amazon products. But sometime before, you just had no choice. But now, they kind of give choice for you to use other resources, not necessarily coming from Amazon, but it's not easy. And probably the most common way of using other resources would be sending PDF files to your Kindle, sending PDF files to your Kindle. And if you do it properly, then they get converted and your Kindle can actually read it for you. Like for instance, what I do, I get, say, EBSCO articles, I email them to my Kindle, and my Kindle reads them for me. Say while I'm driving or taking a walk somewhere, something like that. And I could also read it on the screen, of course, too. And I'll show you the steps. And you see, it also seems like it's their marketing strategy that they're not making it easy. It's like a sequence of steps which are not that easy to remember. So maybe you should write them down. This is what you do. There are a few things that you have to set up before you actually send the article to yourself. On the Amazon homepage, by the way, use Internet Explorer, because in the beginning of the class I tried using Chrome and Chrome wasn't working. So using Internet Explorer, you go to Kindle Books, Kindle E-readers, and then you see it's in the same area, in the same section, apps and resources, where we were getting free Kindle reading apps, but instead go to manage your Kindle, manage your Kindle. Once you get to manage your Kindle, you sign in. And then you get to this screen. In this screen is pretty important on its own, but we'll talk about it a little later. But what you need at this point is personal document settings. Click on personal document settings. Still loading. Okay, I actually do have that screen open, so I'll show it to you from here. You get to a screen similar to this. You see this first piece of information here. It tells you the email that I should use to email a document to my Kindle. It's my Kindle's email address. If you don't have one, I guess you would click Edit, follow the steps, and create one. But normally, they already have a default one, which is usually your Kindle logon at kindle.com. Make sense, guys? So you have to make sure you know that email address, that your Kindle's email address. Another important piece of information here is on the bottom. It's your email. You cannot send a document to your Kindle from any email. It needs to be the email that your Kindle knows, believe it or not, okay? Your Kindle needs to know it. And to do it, you have to introduce your email to your Kindle. You click on Add New Approved Email Address, follow the steps, and then your Kindle knows your email, right? Now you are ready to send documents to your Kindle. Say you got a PDF document. PDF is the most common, but it might accept other formats. It will accept some and probably reject some, but it definitely works with PDF, which is like the most common for these situations. Okay, in the email that your Kindle already knows, you get a message, you attach your file there, your PDF file most probably, and in the subject line, you type in convert, convert. If you don't do the convert part, then it's just gonna include it into your Kindle as a PDF document. Meaning, you can only see it, you cannot hear it. Text-to-speech feature won't be enabled. But if you put convert there, then it'll convert it from PDF into the Kindle format. And then you'll be able also to listen to that article, say while driving or while walking or even looking and listening at the same time, which could be fun, especially when you're preparing for your exams. Okay. And let's see, let me try to get, yes. So this is your Kindle library. This is the main page in Manage Your Kindle. Guys, after you emailed it, it'll send you a message that your Kindle received it. And what happened to me, it says it received it, I go to my Kindle and it's not there. There is one more important step. You have to go to Actions. Oops, wants me to sign in. You see, one of these documents, you go to the Actions, Deliver to My. You click on it, and then you specify the Kindle from where to where you want to deliver it and click Deliver. And only after that it will be available. Like with the PDF documents, it's usually two choices, deliver to my and delete. So don't forget to do the deliver to my. Otherwise, you'll get all those messages that it's sitting there, but you're not going to see it. So if you follow all these steps, you'll be able to make your Kindle read your PDF documents for you. It doesn't always work 100%. It's usually like 90% efficiency. Sometimes with some files, it's just something's wrong, it doesn't accept them. So be prepared for that too. But in 90% of the situations, it works. Say purchasing ebooks. To do that, say you go to Amazon. I guess the easiest way is to purchase them using Amazon, but you can purchase them from the actual Kindle too. Kindle Books, Kindle E-readers, Kindle Store, Kindle Books, or you can do just a general search here, and if the Kindle version is available, it'll tell you. Or you go to Kindle Books directly, and here all the books are Kindle Books. So the good thing about Kindle is its reviews. Like if you purchase something